Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to talk about how to use roundup savings with Lendingclub. Roundup savings is a simple way to save money without thinking about it. Every time you make a purchase with your Lendingclub debit card, the transaction amount can be rounded up to the nearest dollar. The extra change is automatically moved into your savings account. For example, if you buy a coffee for $2.40, Lendingclub rounds it up to $3 and the extra 60 cents gets sent straight into your savings. Over time, these small amounts are gonna add up. To enable roundup savings, open the Lendingclub app, go to your checking account settings and then look for roundup savings. Toggle it on and then select the savings account that you want the money to be transferred to. This feature works automatically in the background, so you save while you spend, helping you grow your balance steadily without needing to plan any extra deposits. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next one.